As the metal roofing resource for homeowners, the MRA is dedicated to helping homeowners make educated roofing decisions. To maximize a roof's longevity and performance, maintenance is an important consideration when selecting roofing materials. The growth of organic matter, like algae, fungus, and moss, are hard on roofs. Moss retains moisture, and when a roof is constantly wet, it is more likely to rot. Cold weather can cause asphalt shingles to fragment, typically occurring beneath the moss. Also, cleaning non-metal roofs requires harsh chemicals, or methods that may result in roof damage. In contrast, metal roofs naturally resist the growth of organic matter. Metal roofs are exceptionally easy to clean and care for. Metal roofs have special coatings and paint, which requires only water rather than harsh chemicals to effectively clean. A roof free of debris and moss keeps water flowing properly towards gutters, which allows a roof to dry more quickly. A metal roof is not only the easiest and most eco-friendly material to maintain, but also offers a host of other benefits. To get more information about the many other benefits of metal roofs and to get matched with a qualified contractor in your area, visit us at metalroofing.com.